Hey guys, Dave over here at Myles Transmission and Auto Care. So today we have in a 2013 BMW X3, and the reason she's in with us today, she shut down on the customer while he was driving along on the highway. Engine turned off and it wouldn't restart for him. So he got it towed in, and the first thing we tried to do was start it. So while cranking it, it sounded funny, and the reason why it sounded funny was there's actually no compression across all four cylinders. So diving a little bit deeper, we actually found that the timing chains had broken, and the timing of the engine actually went out of time, and so there's no compression. The engine internals weren't functioning properly. The correct remedy would be, replacing the timing chains, guides, tensioners, gaskets, kind of all the associated parts, kind of doing a timing job. The side effect, though, of the timing chain system coming apart is there's a lot of fragments and materials getting into the engine oil, and all of those fragments kind of work their way through the engine that don't get caught by the oil filter. One of the components associated with the engine that is affected by this phenomenon is actually the turbocharger. So on this engine, while replacing the timing chains and other components associated with that, we'd actually be replacing the turbocharger, because on this vehicle here, the turbocharger is seized solid. You can't spin it at all. We actually got a screwdriver trying to turn it over and pry it. It's seized solid. So as part in tandem with doing the timing chains that had failed for this vehicle, we're actually replacing the turbocharger as well, and the associated lines and gaskets that go along with that. So maintaining the engine oil, making sure you're doing those on a timely manner, just like in the BMW interval, what they recommend. Keeping that maintained properly is going to prolong the life of these timing chains, so maintenance is a huge important factor.